Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, I sure am. I'm hanging out in my van on Lake Superior. How fabulous is that? Yeah, so I was out on the beach, right there, Lake Superior, for probably 2 hours. And by the time I was done, I don't know. I was spent. My hands were pretty darn cold. Even though I wear neoprene gloves, my hands get cold because it's like, it's complete ice water without the ice, basically. Yeah. So anyhow, I have got the van running, just heating myself up a little bit and having a little lunch. And I want to say something to you all right now. That this $10 deal here that I got from Aldi, this right here, thebomb.com, it makes my life so much more enjoyable in my van. Because why? Because I don't have to worry about where I'm going to set my plates and my cup and my business and my phone when I'm not using it, taking a video right now. Yeah, and I can sit here and relax in a chair in my van and have a bite to eat. Or maybe watch my iPad or whatever. This is like the best setup. I can't even tell you, I'm so happy with it right now. I am so happy with it. I don't even want to leave. I don't even have to leave. I'm in like this public parking place. But this is the cat's meow. This $10 thing, and you recall I reinforced the back of it with the paint sticks and glued them on, and then put these little clips right here to just secure the back of it, because this was made of flimsy cardboard, but this here is not. This is a very tough board that's in here. And somebody said earlier, I think I mentioned it in the video, that, oh, it seems so flimsy. It's not flimsy, but just because the seat is at an angle, watch now, when you put stuff on it, it's gonna move, right? So if I put this on it, not much. I put this on it, if it's full, it's gonna move. But this here is stable. It just moves because it's going to have to butt up to the seat there, you know? But anyhow, I'm happy with this situation. This whole setup is fabulous. I'm so thrilled. I just wanted to let you all know that, how happy I am right now sitting in my van, looking at Lake Superior, having the pleasure of rock hunting for 2 hours, and coming back in here, sitting down, relaxing, warming myself up. I started the van because I was really cold. My hands were really cold. And having a bite to eat. So, did I mention what I had? I might have, I don't remember. Eggs, cheese, and peppers. Fabulous. But anyhow, guess what? I found one agate. One agate. Doesn't look like much right now to you. I know it won't. I know it won't because it's not wet. But watch this. We're gonna wet her down. Okay. Can you see it? See the agate on it? Let's see if I can get it up close. No, I don't know if you can. It's focusing on me, not the agate. But this is an agate. Might not look pretty to you guys, but it's really pretty to me. Yeah. That. Beauty, eh? So I'm happy with this find. I'm gonna keep it. And I actually don't even know where I'm going right now. But let me show you around the van a little bit. So this is what we got going on over here. Nothing much. I really do try to keep things tidy. That's my little speaker. I was listening to some music. My trash can, or bag, pardon me. There's my gloves I was using, my shoes, and nothing's much changed over here either. This is it. And there's my little bucket of rocks over there. Gotta find a home for those. Behind my Bluetti here are 2 Ziploc bags full of rocks underneath the seat. Those can't stay there. I just think they'd tip over and make a mess, so I gotta put them in a Ziploc and maybe stick them behind the Bluetti, because I just really don't want anything in this space. But anyhow, yeah, totally comfortable. Everything's great. And there's my washcloth. Remember I told you that was drying out? Oh, it's completely dry. It's completely dry now. That's great. All right, guys. Well, that's it. I just wanted to say, hey, everything's going fabulous. I'm really, really excited to be able to van camp these few days, and I'm really happy I have this little setup here. This really has made a difference. As silly as it may sound, it really has made a difference. And this chair, just being able to sit up, put my feet up if I want to, like that, right? And chill out. I can move the chair this way and eat. I can move the chair that way and look out the window. I can fold the chair up completely and get rid of it if I need more space. So, yeah, all is well here, guys. Alrighty, that's it. Just checking in, letting you know everything is fabulous. And I'm going to be hitting the road soon. I don't even know what the heck I'm going to be doing, but I just got through eating. Oh, look at these dudes. They got some rocks. Look at those dudes. They are rock hunters. Yeah, I've got so many at home. I downsized on the bucket. Yeah, but anyhow. All right, I'm out, guys. You have a fabulous day. I will catch you later. Until next time.